Hi friends, welcome to Didi YouTube channel. Today in my channel I am going to sow the seeds. First I am going to sow sponge gourd seed. So now let's start to sow. That's it. Next in another bucket I am going to sow the same seed. In both the bucket, I am going to sow three seeds. So now let's name it as sponge gourd. The same thing on the other bucket. Next I am going to sow chili seeds. I am sowing that same seed in 5 pots. So now let's name it. In these 2 pots I sowed capsicum. So let's write the name. These 2 I had sowed lady's finger. So let's write. These 2 I had sowed long beans. So now let's write. These 2 bags I have sowed cucumber seeds. So now let's write. In this I have sowed bottle gourd. So I am going to sow tomato seeds. These 5 pots I have sowed tomato seeds. I have sowed another variety of tomato. At that time I was sown bottle gourd, long variety in this. Now I sowed here a balloon variety of bottle gourd. Now I will write balloon bottle gourd over here. Muskmelon. In this I am sowing red capsicum. So I sowed. In this I am going to sow yellow capsicum. I sow. So now let's name it. So pumpkin. Let's name it. I also French beans. So now let's name it. So I have named it too. And in this another variety of beans. In these 3 I have sowed lady's finger. So I will name it. This I have sowed white onion. So let's name it. I named it. I sowed white radish. So let's name it. So I named it. Sowed broccoli. And next in this I was sowed round brinjal. So now let's name it. In this now I am going to sow long brinjal. I am sowing 3 seeds. So now let's name it. All we have named and sowed the seeds. Now let's pour some water to all. I will show after watering all the pots. So I will water and I will show you. I had rearranged the pots and I had also repotted all the plants and sowed the seeds different. Now I am going to tell you the section of plants. This is medicinal plant section, and if we move on here, brinjal variety section. These are the different variety of brinjals. Now let's enter inside, and over here some varieties of plants. This is biryani leaf, and this is tomato plant, and this is chiku plant, and this is drumstick leaf plant. This is lime plant, this is guava plant, this is banana leaf plant, and this is curry leaf plant, and this is papaya tree. This is also a papaya tree, and this is pomegranate plant, and this is a variety of flower. This is a leaf which we use to make the garland. So now let's out, and this is oxygen plant, and these all are variety of flowers. This is flower section, and if we move on and let's see that side of my garden. Already dark. I am on the flashlight. I am doing the video. This side all I have sowed the seeds today itself. See, and to not get confused, I had wrote the names of it here blindly. Row wise, I have sowed tomatoes, and over here 2 cucumber plant, and here 2 bottle gourd plant, and here 1 red capsicum and yellow capsicum. This I have already sowed the seeds on that day. It has grown. And next in this I have sowed muskmelon, and this a variety of beans, and over here another variety of beans, and in this middle of it I have sowed red long radish, and this lady's finger I have sown in 3 pots. So I have named it 1, 2, 3. As it is, I have named 1, 2, 3, 4. Same variety of plant, and this is a variety of chili, and this is white onion, and this 2 pink buckets are sponge gourd, and these both are long beans. Next, over the right side, already 2 plants are there over here, and a variety of chili. I had sowed the same variety in 4 pots. So I had named it C2, C3, C4. Next, capsicum 1. So I have written it shortly, cap 1. And over here, cap 2. And these both are also lady's finger. And here, these are peas. I was already sowed before only. And this is a variety of plant. And these are carrots. So you saw, I think, above this I had put in before only this net, because the many plants I have sowed the climber, so it may be easy to get upon this. So let's see. That's it in this video. Meet you all next video. Until then, bye. Like this video, like, share and subscribe.